Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to download your entire Google Drive to your computer. First, you need to open your Google browser. Once your browser is open, you need to click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. After clicking on the three dots, a menu will appear. In the menu, click on Manage Your Google Account. After clicking on Manage Your Google Account, a new page will open. On the new page, click on Data and Privacy. After clicking on Data and Privacy, a new page will open. On the new page, scroll down until you see the Apps and Services section. Click on the Drive option in the Apps and Services section. After clicking on the Drive option, a new page will open. On the new page, click on the Download button. After clicking on the Download button, a new tab will open in your browser. On the new tab, scroll down until you see the Next Step button. Click on the Next Step button. After clicking on the Next Step button, a new page will open. On the new page, you will see several options. In the Frequency section, click on the One-Time option. In the File Type section, click on the Zip option. In the File Size section, select the size of the files you want to download. After you have selected your options, click on the Export button. After clicking on the Export button, the export process will start. Once the export process is complete, scroll up until you see the Manage Exports button. Click on the Manage Exports button. After clicking on the Manage Exports button, a new page will open. On the new page, you will see a list of the files that you have selected to export. Click on the Download button next to the file that you want to download. After clicking on the Download button, you will be prompted to enter your account password. Enter your account password and click on the Next button. After clicking on the Next button, the download process will start. Once the download process is complete, a pop-up will appear that says your file is ready to download. Click on the Show in Folder button. After clicking on the Show in Folder button, a new folder will open on your computer. The folder will contain the files that you have downloaded. Double-click on the folder to open it. The files that you have downloaded will be displayed in the folder. That's how you download your entire Google Drive to your computer. I hope this tutorial was helpful.